Alright, I'm unboxing my wiring kit for my sound system for my car. It's an install bay, 0 gauge, I think. It's either 0 or 2. It's 0 gauge wiring kit, including distribution blocks, RCA cables, remote cable, everything. From SonicElectronics.com. Of course, Sonic Electronics packs everything in freaking packing beads. Everything in packing beads. Shipping form. Okay. And that is big. Yeah, it doesn't say on here what size, but I'm pretty sure it's a 0 gauge. Install bay, model AK1, 3600 watt, 17 feet blue power cable, 8 foot blue power cable, 6 foot ground cable. It's got everything. I got a fused distribution block. I got a distribution right there, fuse block, fuse, inline fuse, my distribution terminal. Let's see. The battery terminal has a 0, a 2 gauge, and 2 8 gauge terminals on it. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then I'll open it, and then I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, I'll just open it now. Hold on. Okay, I got a speaker cable. It's really thick. I'm thinking it's like 10 gauge or 8 or something. It's pretty wide. A bunch of ring terminals, grommets, and twist ties. Let's see. Remote cable, don't need it. Distribution block, I will need this. Heavy duty. Fused distribution. Right there. You got 6 0 gauge in. It looks like 2. but I can work with it. Yeah, it's like two gauge in, 2 gauge out. Two heavy duty sets of RCA cable, but I don't need it because my car has subwoofers. It has a Bose stereo system. I'm gonna wire my amp up to the subs in the back because I'm keeping the stock stereo. Yeah, this is the I think it's 8 gauge power cable. I got 2 RCA cables. Here's 8 gauge ground cable. Here's 0 gauge power cable. My pinky is like abnormally large, and look how big. It's the same size as my pinky. It is really, really big. And it's all, it's got a sleeving for it, little black sleeving. Okay. Here is a fuse block. It's very large. It looks small in the picture, but it's not a problem. Distribution on my battery terminal. 2 small ports. It's got like a 0, 2, and 2 8 gauge. And it's got a little thumb tight screw, which I like. Connectors and stuff. I like the way it I like this setup for like $70 including shipping, because it came with all these parts, making my life easy. Because this is going on the battery, and then after that, battery, then my fuse, and then from here, I think this is, yeah, it's going to go into here. It's going to go into this distribution block, and one's going to the capacitor and one's going to the amplifier. And then the amp and the capacitor are each going to have separate grounds, so I'm not going to worry about all that. So that's it. I'm going to keep you updated with my system build. I got some work to do. I haven't even started building the framing yet because I've been so busy with work.